RJ Johnson, Super Truck 15. We just got our second win of this year. It was pretty exciting. It was a lot of fun. First 10, 15 laps were really exciting. We got out and we were able to keep our pace of the race and save our equipment so that next week we have a really fresh car.
You had a 2-week break between races, and the last race didn't end so well for you. Just tell me what you had to do to the truck to get it ready for tonight.
We figured out it was a fuel pump, but we went ahead and changed everything in the fuel system, fuel line, with a new fuel pickup, fuel pump, everything that we thought could maybe break us down again. So I think we fixed it, so we'll see you next time.